The little firefly's glow. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a tiny firefly named Lumo. Unlike other fireflies, Lumo's glow was very dim. Every night, he watched his friends light up the forest, twinkling like little stars. "I wish I could glow as brightly as them," Lumo sighed. One evening, the wise old owl saw Lumo sitting alone and asked, "Why do you look so sad, little one?" Lumo replied, "I want to shine like the other fireflies, but my light is too small." The owl smiled and said, "Your glow may be small, but it can still make a difference." That night, a baby rabbit got lost in the dark forest. Scared and shivering, he didn't know which way to go. Lumo saw the little rabbit and, despite his dim glow, decided to help. He fluttered close and said, "Follow my light, little friend." Step by step, Lumo guided the rabbit back to its family. When they reached safely, the mother rabbit hugged her baby and thanked Lumo. "You may not shine the brightest," said. Lumo smiled and left the rabbit behind. From that day on, Lumo never felt sad about his small glow. He learned that even the smallest light can help someone find their way. Moral of the story: no matter how small you think you are, you can still make a big difference in the world.